Good morning friends, my name is Ankush Garg and today we are discussing chapter integration. We have already covered the basics of this chapter. Today we are going to discuss some of the IIT questions, that how can you solve the question which is asked in the IIT. So this is one of the questions which is asked in the IIT and I am going to solve it for you and I will explain you that how we can do it. Now if you see, this is just a question. They are saying if this particular thing is equal to lambda 1x, lambda 2 log of this plus lambda 3. Now we need to find the value of lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Okay, it can be asked in the paper in so many ways, like they can ask you find the value of lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3. It will become in teacher questions. They can ask you in the fill in the blanks, they can ask you in the math the following. There can be a lot of ways of asking it, or it can be a multiple choice question also as well. So now I'm going to discuss this particular question. See, how can we do this question? I'll start the solution. This particular thing, I take it as a name I, and this I can write like this 4 e to the power x plus 6 divided by e to the power x divided by, this is 9 e to the power x minus 4 divided by e to the power x dx. So this is looking like something like this. Now if I take LCM over here, it will become what? 4 e to the power 2x plus 6 divided by e to the power x whole divided by, it will become what? 9 e to the power 2x minus 4 divided by e to the power x and then dx. Is it clear? Now what can happen? E to the power x will get cancelled out and what will I left? I will be left with nothing but 9 e to the power 4 e to the power 2x plus 6 divided by 9 e to the power 2x minus 4 dx. I hope this is clear to you. Now see, this we can integrate it with the help of the substitution, very basic substitution. What I can do, I can replace as e to the power x as t. So it will be what? E to the power x dx equal to dt. Now, so if I see, dx is nothing but 1 upon e to the power x dt. And what is e to the power x? E to the power x is nothing but t. So dx is equal to what? 1 by t dt. I hope this is clear till now. Now, if I replace it over here, it will look like what? It will be I is equal to, so this is what, if e to the power x is t, it will become t square. So it will be 4t square plus 6 divided by, this will be what? 9t square minus 4. 9t square minus 4 and dx is what? 1 by t dt. 1 by t dt. Okay, so in short, I can think like this. This is 4t square plus 6 divided by t multiply with, if you see, this is nothing but what? 9t square minus 4, which I can think like this, 3t whole square minus 2 square. So it will become a square minus b square, which is a minus b, a plus b. So this is 3t minus 2 into 3t plus 2 and then dt. I hope till here it's clear. Okay, now if you see, it's a quadratic equation, denominator is a cubic, so it's a proper rational function, and you know the proper rational functions can be integrated by using partial fractions. So I am going to apply the partial fractions over here. I hope this part you have understood already. So I am moving forward. Okay, now, so I'll just rub it off. So if you see, I want to partial fraction what? I want to partial fraction 4t square plus 6 divided by t into 3t minus 2 into 3t plus 2. Okay, now this will be nothing but I can write it like this, a upon t plus b upon 3t minus 2 plus c upon 3t plus 2. I hope this is clear to you till now. Okay, now if I take LCM, what will come over here? A times 3t minus 2 into 3t plus 2 plus b times t 3t plus 2 plus c times t 3t minus 2. Okay, now the denominator will get cancelled with the denominator of the left hand side and I will get 4t square plus 6 is equal to this. Now my aim is to find the values of a, b, c. How can I do that? See, let's say I want to find the value of a first. So I can put t equal to 0, because if I put t 0, what will happen? This will become 0, because 0 into this will be 0. This will become 0, 0 into this will be 0. And what will I get? 4 into 0 square is 0 plus 6. So 6 is equal to a times this will be minus 2, this will be plus 2. So a is nothing but 6 by minus 4, that is nothing but minus 3 by 2. So this is how I am finding the value of a. Now to find the value of b, what I can do, see, to find b, if I put t equal to 2 by 3. So what happens, see, if I put this equal to 0, what will I get? 3t minus 2, if I put 0, t will be what? 2 by 3. So it means if I put t equal to 2 by 3, it will become 0, it also becomes 0, and I will left with only the value of b. Okay, so what will I do? I'll put t equal to 2 by 3, here also I'll put t equal to 2 by 3. So it's 4 into 4 by 9 plus 6 is equal to, this will become 0, this will be what? B into 2 by 3, and here it will become 3 into 2 by 3 plus 2. Now, if you see, this is 16. If I take LCM, it will be 16, it will be 54. 16 plus 54 will be 70 divided by 9, and this will be what? B times 2 by 3. This will be what? 3 cancel, 2 plus 2 will be 4. So if you notice, 3 ones are 3 threes are 2 ones are 2 35s are, and 4 will come down. So B will look like what? B will be 35 by 12. So I am getting nothing but, I will write here itself, B is nothing but 35 by 12. Now, what did I do? I got already the value of A, I got the value of B. Now I need to find the value of C. How can I find the value of C? See, if I put this equal to 0, 3t plus 2 equal to 0, what will I get? T is equal to minus 2 by 3. It means if I replace t equal to minus 2 by 3, this will become 0, this will also become 0, and I will get the answer of this. So that's what I am going to do, that if t is equal to minus 3 by 2, okay, so 4 into minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 6 is equal to, okay, my bad, it's not minus 3 by 2, it will be minus 2 by 3. Okay, so 4 into minus 2 by 3 whole square plus 6. If I put here, it will become 0, it will become 0, I will be left with this. So C times minus 2 by 3, and this will be what? 3 into minus 2 by 3, and that this is minus 2. So that will be nothing but 4 into 4 by 9 plus 6, C times minus 2 by 3, 3 cancel will be nothing but minus 4. So it will be again 16 plus 64, 16 plus 64, sorry, 54, 9 6 are 54, 16 plus 54 will be 70, 70 by 9 equal to, it will be what? 8 by 3. So again, 3 ones are 3 threes are, 2 fours are 2 35s are, 4 will come down, so it will be 35 by 12. So C also I got what? 35 by 12, B also 35 by 12, and A is minus 3 by 2. Okay, so I am going to rub this particular thing to explain you the further. Okay, so just keep in mind, A is what? Minus 3 by 2, B is what? 35 by 12, C is also 35 by 12. So if I replace it over here, so A was minus 3 by 2, 1 by t, plus B was 35 by 12 into 1 upon 3t minus 2, plus C was 35 by 12 into 1 upon 3t plus 2. Now, that's what I got about this. Now, if I want to integrate it, my I is nothing but integration of this, so minus 3 by 2, 1 by t dt. You can see I just want to integrate this, means integrating all these numbers. So here minus 3 by 2 will come out, it will be 1 by t dt, 35 by 12 will be out, integration of 1 upon 3t minus 2 dt, 35 by 12 is also out, integration of 1 upon 3t plus 2 dt. Now, so this is what? Nothing but log t. Log t in maths, if we don't write base, it means base is e. Okay, and then this is 35 by 12 log 3t minus 2. But here 3 is multiplied with t, so I will need to divide it by 3. Similarly over here it will be 3t by 12 into 1 by 3 log of 3t plus 2. Now plus some constant c. Now this is what I got it, but if you see, this t is introduced by me and I took t as e to the power x. So I need to replace t again as e to the power x. So if I replace it over here, what will I get? My I will be nothing but minus 3 by 2 log of t. So it will be what? Log of e to the power x plus it will be 35 by 36, 35 by 36 log 3 into e to the power x minus 2 plus 35 plus 6 log 3 e to the power x plus 2 plus c. Now this will be nothing but x will come outside. X will come outside. Note the value of log e. Log e is 1. So it will be what? Minus 3 by 2 into x plus 35 by 6, 36. 35 by 36, I can take common. So if I take 35 by 36 common, what will come? Log of this plus log of this. And you know, when two logs are multiplied, the numbers, when two logs are getting added, the numbers will get multiplied. So what will happen? Log 3 e to the power x minus 2 into 3 e to the power x plus 2 and plus constant c. So this is nothing but minus 3 by 2x plus 35 by 36 log, this is what? A minus b, a plus b, so a square minus b square plus constant c. So that is my answer. Now if you cross check this answer with this particular question, then lambda 1 is nothing but minus 3 by 2, lambda 2 is nothing but 35 by 36, and lambda 3 can be any constant, any real constant. I hope you understood. So this is how we do this question. We got the values of lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Now they can make this question in any way, fill in the blanks, integer type, maybe subjective if it comes, which is not in the IIT right now, or in the math the following questions. So this is how we do this particular question. So in this particular question, we use basically two concepts. First we use the first we use the substitution, and after substitution we use the partial fraction, and then it's nothing, it's basic integration, and we use some properties of logarithm. So in this particular question of IIT JEE, if you see, we have mixed 3-4 concepts of the integration chapter: substitution, partial fraction, and then at the end logarithm properties. I hope this is clear to you. Perfect. We'll move to the next question. We already discussed question number 1. Okay, now we'll move to the second question, which is again from IIT question. It's a multiple choice question. So if you see, this is a question and we have 4 options. Okay, we need to find which is the right option. Now, before starting with the question, I'm looking into the solutions very carefully, or I would say the options carefully. If you see, at least I can get some idea that here in these questions, x to the power 4 would have been taken out. Because if x to the power 4 would have been taken out, would be like get 1 by x to the power 4, and here I will get divided by x to the power 4, so it means 2 by x square, and this is what they are having in the options. So it means I get some idea from the options itself, and then I can start my working. So in these kinds of questions, you can get the idea from the options itself. So that's what I am going to do. I'll take x to the power 4 common, so it is nothing but numerator is x square minus 1, this x cube as it is. Okay, I'm taking x to the power 4 common in the denominator, so it will be nothing but x to the power 4 common. What is that? 2 minus, as I told you, it will be division by x to the power 4, so x squared divided by x to the power 4 is nothing but 2 by x square, plus it will be 1 divided by x to the power 4 and bracket close dx. Okay, now under root x to the power 4 is nothing but x square, so it will be nothing but x square minus 1. This is x square will come out, so this is x cube into x square, 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x to the power 4 dx. So if you see, x cube into x square, I can make x to the power 5, right? It will become x to the power 5. Now I can do one more thing. This x to the power 5, I can write under this and under this. It means when I will do that, x square divided by x to the power 5 will become 1 by x cube minus 1 divided by x to the power 5 will become x to the power 5 whole divided by 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x to the power 4, and this is dx, and this is nothing but I. So I hope this much is clear to you. Perfect. Now what will I do? I'll take the denominator as t. See how? If I differentiate 1 by x square, what will I get? 1 by x cube. In short, I'm telling you. Similarly, if I differentiate 1 by x to the power 4, what will I get? 1 by x to the power 5. So I'll show you how it will work. I'm going to take 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x to the power 4, is equal to t square. Why I'm taking t square? Nothing but because there is an under root. So when I will put t square, under root t square will become t. So calculation wise it will be easy to solve. Now it will be what? If I differentiate now, it will be nothing but minus 2 divided by x cube plus minus 4 divided by x to the power 5 multiplied dx equal to, and t square will be what? 2t dt. So 4 minus 4 I can take common. It will be 1 by x cube. Okay. And minus, okay, I can take plus 4 common, right? Because minus 2 will be plus 4 and this is minus 4. So I can take plus 4 common and will be minus 1 by x to the power 5 dx equal to 2t dt. I hope that here it's clear. Okay, now 4 what will happen? It will come in division. So it will be what? 1 by x cube minus 1 by x to the power 5 dx equal to dt by 2 t by 2 into dt. Now I'm going to the replacement. If you can see now, 1 by x cube minus 1 by x to the power 5 dx is becoming t by 2 dt. So it means this is nothing but t by 2 dt divided by, and if you see this is nothing but t square. So under root t square will become t. Now tt cancel, half will come outside. Integration of dt will be t plus c. And what is the value of t? What is the value of t? It's nothing but under root of this. It will be 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus constant of integration, which is c. So if you see from the options, A cannot be the answer. Why? Because there is no constant. B cannot be the answer because I have half in the constant, but it's 2. C can be the answer. Yes, half, then under root 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus c. So my correct answer is C. So I hope you understood this question. This is again very easy question. This is not that difficult. You can expect this kind of question in JEE mains. The JEE advanced question we will be taking in the next step. Okay. Okay. Hello friends. So as we have done 2 questions already, now we'll start with the third question. This is asked in IIT JEE 2008. Okay. Now if you see this question, we have I is what? E to the power x divided by e to the power 4x plus e to the power 2x plus 1, and j is what? E to the power minus x divided by e to the power minus 4x plus e to the power minus 2x plus 1 dx, and then we need to find the j minus 1. You can make it in so many ways. Multiple choice question can also be made, but I didn't mention the options. I'm going to tell you the solution. How can you do it? Now if you see, the denominator of this and this can be made same. How? I can take it as 1 by e to the power 4x, 1 by e to the power 2x, and I will take LCM. You will see that this denominator and this denominator will become same. So I'll start with j, which is what? E to the power minus x. This I can write as 1 by e to the power 4x plus 1 by e to the power 2x plus 1 dx. If I take LCM, it's e to the power 4x LCM. This is 1. This will be e to the power 2x plus e to the power 4x, and this is e to the power minus x dx. Now it will come up, so it will be nothing but e to the power 3x divided by, if you see, it will be e to the power 4x plus e to the power 2x plus 1 dx, and that is nothing but j. So if you see, this j and this I, denominator is same. Am I right or not? Yes. And it will help me to find j minus I. Now what will I do? J minus I, I'll do it here. When I do j minus I, see what will happen? Because denominator is same, I can take the LCM, and the LCM will be nothing but e to the power 4x plus e to the power 2x plus 1 dx. Numerator will be what? E to the power 3x minus e to the power x. E to the power 3x minus e to the power x. Now what I can do over here, I can take e to the power x common, and it will become e to the power 2x minus 1 divided by e to the power 4x plus e to the power 2x plus 1 dx. Now see, how can we solve it? Can I take e to the power x as t? Again substitution. If I take e to the power x t, e to the power x dx will be equal to dt. So it means these two will become dt. This will become t square minus 1, and it will become t to the power 4 plus t square plus 1. That is j minus I. Now if you remember, this t square minus 1 upon t to the power 4 plus t square plus 1, this is one of the type of the integrations, like when we can, how can we integrate x square plus a square divided by x to the power 4 plus a square or I can say 1, or I can say 1, or x square minus also we can work it out, or we can integrate x square plus 1 minus 1 divided by x square plus kx square plus 1. Okay, or we can integrate 1 upon x to the power 4, or we can integrate x square upon 1 plus x to the power 4. So all these kind of functions can be integrated by the single method which I am going to discuss right now. So what are this method? See, whenever you see this question like this, you divide by t square in numerator and denominator. What do? You divide by t square in numerator and denominator. So when I do that, what will happen? This is j minus I equal to, if I divide t square divided by t square will become 1 minus 1 by t square will be 1 by t square, and here this t to the power form will become t square plus this will become 1, this will become 1 by t square, so it will be 1 by t square plus 1 dt. Now if you see over here, we have t minus 1 by t whole square. Whenever you have 1 minus 1 by t whole square, you will take the term t plus 1 by t. If you have 1 plus 1 by t square, you will take the term t minus 1 by t. Now in this particular question, we have 1 minus 1 by t square, so I will take a term which is t plus 1 by t. See, if I differentiate this, let's say this is y. If I differentiate this, what will get? It will be 1, it will be minus 1 by t square dt equal to dy. So at least I am getting the numerator, but denominator again it's a problem. No, it's easy. See, t plus 1 by t whole square will be nothing but y square. So this is t square plus 1 by t square plus 2ab equal to y square. It will go there. So t square plus 1 by t square is nothing but y square minus 2. So if I replace it over here, j minus I, this is nothing but numerator will be dt. This is y square minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 will become what? Minus 1. So it's y square minus 1, and 1 can be think as 1 square. So now this is the formula of what? Dx upon x square minus a square, which is 1 upon 2a log x minus a divided by log x plus a. So it will be 1 by 2 log y minus 1 upon y plus 1 plus constant of integration. Now y is something which was introduced by me, so I need to replace the value of y. So I'm going to go here. So if you see, j minus I is nothing but half of log, what is the value of y? Y was nothing but t plus 1 by 2. So it is t plus 1 by 2, sorry 1 by t minus 1 t plus 1 by t plus 1 plus c. Now if I take the LCM over here, what will I get? T square, this will be t. So t square minus t plus 1 divided by what? T square plus t plus 1 plus c. So till here I got it. Now what I need to do? I need to replace the value of t also, and t what I took? E to the power x. So if I replace t as e to the power x, what will I get? It will be e to the power 2x minus e to the power x plus 1 divided by e to the power 2x plus e to the power x plus 1 plus c. So that is my answer. This is one of the options given in the questions, and that's how we solve this IIT JEE 2008 question. I hope it's clear to you.